Hello, we are from Innovation for Environment I.4.E group. As you perceive, the issue is students feel bored and unexcited while studying in class. Also, students feel less confident when names are called to answer questions. They also avoid and bow down so as not to be selected by teacher. How about the solution? I.4.E innovation that can change the passive learning atmosphere into enjoyable lessons can solve this problem. It makes post-learning assessment more interactive and comply with the elements of 21st century learning.
As you can see, this is our I.4.E product sketch. You can see it from front view, side view, and bottom view.
Let me explain for you how this product works. Firstly, the battery will be inserted as the energy source. Second, when the switch is pressed, the name selection will be floated and a box containing question will automatically come out. Lastly, the student whose name is selected will take out the question from the drawer.
This is cost for this product. First, cardboard recycled, paper recycled, matchbox recycled, switch 6 ringgit, wire 2 ringgit, 2 motor 80 30 ringgit, battery 2 ringgit and 90 cent, battery holder case 99 cent, nut 2 ringgit 70 cent, and the last one, strip rod 4 ringgit 90 cent, and the total cost for this product is 32 ringgit 9 cents.
Benefits of I.4.E product. This product has a surprise element. Students are more willing to learn and answer questions. Students are looking forward to when their names are selected, and it also supports SDG 4 quality education, which is ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all.